Headed to work on a beautiful Sunday morning. You know, I think that's one of the things I hate about my job is the fact that I always have to work on Sunday morning. I mean, the air is completely different on Sunday. 1,000 times different. I just want to be able to feel it all day, you know?
Nick of time.
What's up, dude? Sorry about that. It was fine. Just late night last night. What's going on, guys? Yeah?
Correct color is orange, so orange.
Look who came to visit me today.
Yep.
Hello. Hello.
Well, hello there.
So today's actually been a pretty cool day. It's been nice to be able to hang out and work with some of my old friends. I transferred stores about a year ago, and I recently transferred back, and it's been a lot of fun. I don't have too much more left in my shift, and then after that I have to head over to Best Buy, try to pick up a power strip, and then I'm gonna go hang out with Kate. Downside about transferring stores is that her and I don't get to spend as much time as we used to. It's nice to be able to hang out with her every so once in a while. Other than that, it's just some more boring, like, housework and stuff. So peace out, guys. Just got out of work to head to Best Buy right over here. After I'm done getting gas, I'm gonna head home and see Kate. Good day at work though. So here at Best Buy, just hope it's easy to find. Do you guys have power strips here?
Yeah, it's gonna be over in aisle.
Excuse me, you know where power strips are? Very much, I appreciate it. So they're supposed to be around here somewhere. Let's take a look. Oh, thank God. Look at all the choices we got. $199 for a fucking power strip. I got what I need, but I might as well look around for a little bit. This is fucking Candyland for me. But they even sell fossils here.